by the Father, we're His beloved. In His embrace, we're never alone. We are sons of the light, heirs of His glory bright. In the arms of our Father, we find our peace. No chains can bind us here. His love drives out all fear. In the Spirit we're free, our hopes release. Through trials we will stand, with Christ our hope and anchor. The world may shake, but we hold on, for in His love we'll rise stronger. We are sons of the light, heirs of His glory bright. In the arms of our Father we find our peace. No chains can bind us here. His love drives out all fear. In the Spirit we're free, our hopes release. Our God, hear our cry. In the night your love is nigh. We're not afraid of what may come, for we know we're forever loved. We are sons of the light, heirs of His glory bright. In the arms of our Father we find our peace. No chains can bind us here. His love drives out all fear. In the Spirit we're free, our hopes release. Thou art weary, looking fair, to the ponces of beyond. John hairs with grace, the war breathe great. In the stuck will you'll find in Him.